Good evening, Center. Skywest 3466-350, cleared to send via the Ironman 2.
Skywest 3466, Los Angeles Center, Los Angeles, altimeter 2987.
87.
Skywest 3466, New Mexico, California,
1.5, Skywest 3466. First, good evening, Skywest 3466, 13,900 to send via the Ironman 2, information on.
Skywest 3466, SoCal, descend via the arrival, expect ILS 24 right. Skywest 3466, 250 knots until advised.
250 knots until advised, Skywest 3466.
Skywest 3466, maintain 210 knots or greater, descend and maintain 3000.
210 or greater, descend and maintain 3000, Skywest 3466.
Skywest 3466 traffic, you're looking for at 1 o'clock and about 6 miles of Delta Boeing 737, descending out of 4,500. They're landing at the stop complex, report inside.
Just out of inside, Skywest 3466.
3466, right, maintain visual separation from that traffic, I'll turn you right behind them.
After that, we'll maintain visual separation, Skywest 3466.
Skywest 3466, we can reduce speed to 180.
Reduce speed now to 180, Skywest 3466.
Skywest 3466, turn right heading 160.
Right turn 160, Skywest 3466.
Skywest 3466, turn right and 220, join right 24 right, local object.
Right turn 220, join at 24 right, local object.
You're going to end up with about a 7.5 behind the heavy.
Okay.
That was 3466, 5 miles from Kogan, maintain our about 2,600 to establish cleared ILS runway 2 for our approach.
Maintain 2,600 still established, cleared ILS super right approach, Skywest 3466.
That was 3466, 180 to Kobe, contact tower 133.9.
180 to Kobe, over to tower, Skywest 3466, good night.
Good night.
Changing tower, Skywest 3466, super right.
Skywest 3466, Delhi Tower, good evening. Heavy Boeing 777, 2 mile final. Caution wake turbulence. Wind 250 at 9er. Runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, super right, copy with turbulence, Skywest 3466.
3466, left turn at Victor, cross runway 24 left, and contact ground. Good night.
Victor Cross 24 left, call ground.
Welcome to Los Angeles, where the local time is 8:37 p.m. Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Your belongings should remain stowed until we safely reach the gate. If your phone is closed, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be on baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival on the gate. Or see a baggage agent to receive a discount or miles for a future flight. For information about connecting gates, refer to Alaska app or check monitors inside the terminal. On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines and part number of the window of
Skywest 3466, Victor 63 Alpha.
thank you to our mileage.
Skywest 3466, Los Angeles ground check via Delta Papa South route.
Delta Papa South route, Skywest 3466.
Whether this is your first time flying Alaska, you fly with us often, you know. We'll be deplaning easy to jet bridge today. If you have an item that was being checked with an orange tag, your bag will be delivered to you on the jet bridge. Please step to the side of the jet bridge to allow other guests to pass by while you wait for your bag.